Today we're making a feast of slow roasted pork shoulder with a bunch of Korean sides, and we'll eat it with rice and lettuce wraps, a bunch of pickly things, which is what we'll be making now. Pork's in the oven, slow roasting, 300 degrees for hours and hours, which gives you plenty of time to prep everything else.
Yeah. So the first thing you want to do is peel this. I like using a Y peeler. It's supposed to be the best peeler because you have the most control over how you peel with it. So if you ever felt like you're going to cut your hand off using your peeler, you might want to consider one of these. I work from home, so this feels pretty normal to me.
Not to me.
But everybody else is experiencing what I normally feel, which is
desperation.
Just being at home all the time. You want to quarter your daikon. You want to use about a pound of daikon. We always use one of these plastic mandolines because I find that they are the best. And then you want to basically wedge the mandolin between your body and whatever surface you're working on. And that'll make a stable slicing thing. And these are pretty good. This is roughly the thickness.
Yeah, and with anything pickled, the veggies are going to lose water, and so they'll actually become thinner. So you actually want these things sliced a little bit thicker than they'll ultimately end up being, because they're just going to shrink a little bit.
Now that this is all sliced, you want to salt it and let it pull all the moisture out.
I do it by eyeball, but it's basically enough where you can feel like you're pretty generously coating every piece. But the key for them to be extra delicious is really wanting to get the moisture out of them. So what I do is I cover the pickles with paper towel, add some sort of bowl or something on top of them that will like evenly distribute its weight, and then add a couple of heavy cans. You'll see a ton of liquid comes out, so you want to drain off that liquid. And then after a couple hours of doing that, you've got these really delicious, fresh, gingery, salty, concentrated pickles.
So, actually take all the daikon, squeeze all the water out of it. So, fun fact about pickled daikon is that it will make your fridge smell like farts. But something about the chemical reaction of daikons being pickled and the way that daikons break down, they off-put this gas that is kind of funky. Although if you're in a place where you're already eating lots of other pickled things, it seems to neutralize it and you don't quite notice it. So drizzle that on, and then I'll mix it in. And all of this will go into the fridge for at least 1 hour.
The great thing about this recipe is it's super flexible time-wise. So you need to cook it until it's pretty tender. So this is about 4 pounds, took about 4 hours. And this has been resting for about an hour. But if you want to eat immediately, you don't need to really rest it at all. You can just crank up the heat after you put on the glaze. You can wait a couple hours and then throw it in, because the last like 10-15 minute high heat with the glaze, both will caramelize the outside, but will also reheat everything. And it's done. And delicious. Yep. And frankly, also Southern barbecue, served with pickles and dips to cut through the really fatty, juicy, rich meat.
We're gonna throw this back into the oven at 500 for
10 to 15
minutes, and then we'll be ready to eat it. So thank you for watching, and this is what it looks like when it's all done.